Hey, what's up, guys? Clay's on his way over. He got his engine back from the machine shop. He wants to bring it over here because it's during the week. I just got off work. And, he's gonna drop it off here, and then this weekend we'll get the heads and stuff on it. But I got a mess to clean up real quick here, so I'm gonna do that before he gets here. Huh?
I didn't know that was electric.
Yeah.
Damn, Robert don't even have electric in your garage door. Man, you styling.
Fancy.
I think I just realized on the way over here, though.
What?
I don't know if you have any bolts or not.
Oh.
I just thought about it on the way over here.
I don't think I do.
I guess I had to run low or something. Just drop this, put it on the pallet or something.
I mean, I got bolts, but I don't know if.
Yeah, but fit in the back.
Yeah.
I didn't even say how much it cost in the YouTube video. It said it too. Oh yeah, that's pretty good. Clean.
Oh yeah. Got your name on it.
Good.
Ain't that fancy?
That's like cinnamon or something. He said, "Where'd you get that plate at?" I told him, he's like, "Yeah, I'm gonna give you one of them." Your board leader 20. See them hatch marks are pretty in.
Yeah.
Damn, dude. I think this ones are a little bigger, aren't they? Yeah.
We about to turn it on. We about to turn it on. We about to turn it on.
Alright, we're gonna get started here. I guess we're gonna jack this thing up and scoot it back and try to set my little table up here and get all the parts on there so we can get it back together.
Yes, sir. You're right. That's what we're gonna do. Rear main, nice and oiled up.
Hell yeah.
Now is the time I need
I'm pretty
this thing on my
sure.
truck.
Here's his alignment tool we got to align this plate up. So this thing sits in there. Of course, we need to put a little oil on that gasket there. Yeah, I would jack this thing up to eye level, but
Yeah, I feel
my thing's bent. This leg is bent and it gets a little top heavy. Gets wobbly.
Probably showing too much cleavage. I don't even want to see that. It's up in there. I'm like, oh. I guess yeah, flip on the crank. Yeah. You can see, yeah. Doesn't now.
There it goes.
On that little devil load on it.
I got one.
Oh, you got one now?
Yeah.
You moving up in the world, ain't you?
A little bit.
So I think just kind of put all the bolts in there and kind of.
You gotta make sure this is flat down here on the bottom.
Yeah.
On both sides there. Where your old pan's gonna sit. Alright, cover's on there. I just gotta get that seal in.
Actually, I think this right here kind of pressed on good.
Should.
More even. Yeah.
She's in there. Alright, now we're gonna try to get this thing on the engine stand so we can flip it over and try to get that old pan on.
About to turn it on.
Alright, I'm trying to get the
Oh, that's going on smooth too. Yeah.
gear on there. We had to rig up some stuff there to push it on, but it's working out pretty good so far.
I enjoy doing this stuff. Alright.
Alright, now your Earl pump.
So it goes on like
that. Alright, so the old pump just slides on there like that.
pull them out, didn't I?
Here's the windage tray. Then the pickup tube. And we already put the new O-ring on there. So this goes. Gonna have to take that nut back off.
Oh, yeah.
Finally got that on. I had to put pressure on it and hold it in for him while you tighten it. We got that. Now we just tighten these bolts down for the windage tray.
Ready to roll, big dog.
Then we can put the old pan on. Putting a little Permatex on the cracks. Of course, we ain't got the front cover on yet, but
Ain't gonna hurt no. Build a wall up between there.
hey, we got the old pan on. With the LS old pans, you got bolts in the old pan where it bolts to the transmission. So you gotta try to get it straight as you can. We just took a straight edge like this and put on the block. Done it like that. So it's halfway straight.
Hey, if you're happy with it, I'm happy with it. Well, it is my engine, but I trust your judgment more than mine, man.
We got as straight as we could with what we got, I guess.
Yep.
If we had a transmission or the bell housing off the transmission, make it a whole lot easier.
Yeah, maybe we just need to invest into it, like you said. There you go. Oh, you kind of say it. There you go. Put it in there like that, and you take a hammer and boom.
About to turn it on.
Putting the retainer plate on. And don't be like us and forget to put your timing chain on. So now we got to take the old pan and the pickup tube back off, the old pump back off,
Tell them the other
to get the chain back on. And we think maybe one of these bolts might be stripped that goes into this plate. So we're gonna check that while we take the pan back off. Hopefully not, but if it is, I guess Clay's gonna buy him a new plate.
Yeah, not tighten down as much.
Alright, we got the chain on there this time.
Yep.
So now we're just gonna put it back together. And this bolt is stripped out, unfortunately, so he ordered a new one of those. Get the dots lined up. I don't know if y'all can see it there, but anyways, we got the dots lined up. So now he's just gonna take them bolts back out, put the ARP lube on it there, and we'll torque it down.
25 pounds feet.
Pounds feet.
Okay.
All right, we got the front cover on. We left it loose here.
Oh, my light's still on.
We're going to use the new harmonic balancer to kind of line this up when it goes in there to
Center.
just center it. Alright, we got the timing chain cover on and tight. Got the pulley on. Now we're going to go ahead and put the lifters in. Yeah, there you go.
That belt center again. Stormtrooper. Get a flip them. Won't drop one. Plus it falls out. Let's see. Like that. Did it fall out? You got a light.
Somewhere.
Can't take that out. Look what it did. Yeah, they ain't going. How the hell did you get him in there that far, bro? Rag, buddy. Oh, I'm just kidding. I'm just being too cautious, I guess. Piece of junk. I don't even want.
There's Clay with his head gaskets.
What are you filming for?
So what happened here was those are two of the same head gaskets, and one was going to be upside down, and he don't like those gaskets anyway, so I guess he's going to get different ones.
I thought these were going to be multi-layer. It looked kind of like in the picture, but I couldn't tell. I guess I'll give it some multi-layer.
So we're going to get some multi-layers. So I guess this is as far as we're going to get this time. And we're just going to clean up real quick. I'm going to go in and eat dinner. That's going to be it for this one. So I guess till next time. See you.